Let's get the left side to say, come on. They sounding big, y'all. I think the back can do better. What y'all got? What y'all got? I'm gonna help you. Come on and go with me. Break it down, y'all. Come on and go with me. Come on over. Can y'all whisper that for me? It'd be so nice if I could get the whole Pittsburgh to just say, y'all don't want to over, y'all ain't in. I have you speaking in tongues. Peter picked peppers but run rock rhymes. I'ma say my Messiah, my full side. Yeah, yeah. Y'all rock out to this Teddy John with me tonight. Y'all having a good time, so you wanna get away from this noisy crowd. Come on, Pittsburgh. Let's go someplace where it's nice and quiet, where there's nobody else around, yeah. Let's sit by a cold and fire, where we can be each other's company. Tell me, pretty lady, how does that sound to you? It sounds so good to see. Won't you do it, baby? Would you do that, baby? Do that, baby. Be so nice, be so sweet, yeah. Be so soft, lady. You look like you're born today, and you just my type. You're the kind whose spirit is running free. Let's take a sip of some cold, cold wine, and we can dance to the music nice and slow. And you won't be under any kind of pressure. We'll just let all of